Yes, yes, yes. We are back. Episode 52. Episode 52. 3 days in a row. I told you guys. I have the studio lined up, have everything at a click of a button. The more and more you're organized, the more and more you have clarity, the more seamless it'll be, the more easier it'll be, and the more proficient it'll be. I always preach you guys. Clean your space, clear your mind, be organized, have structure. If you can set up a studio in your home and keep it like that, set up a studio in your home and keep it like that. I promise you, your productivity is gonna be so much easier. And speaking of setting up your studio, this Thursday, I'll be giving a class on how I built my whole entire studio. You can't see it from here, but I'm gonna show it in my class on Thursday on my group mentorship. If you want more info, go to themacpac.com. That's THEMACPAC.com. That's my group mentorship. That's where I help everyone. Have a full line of courses. I'm doing weekly webinars and teaching you guys different things and new things. So many things going on. We got in-person meetups. I got my friends that come on. It's a vibe, it's a vibe. So if you're looking to better your brand or better your company or better your business, I'm giving you all the tools in that group mentorship. So go to THEMACPAC.com to join. Yes, guys, listen. So I'm like, this is Tuesday and I usually do tools. And what I mean by tools is something that you can use for your business to make your business better, right? And I'm like, wow, why not show people how to make Chat GPT sound like you? I'm like, I think that would be really good and really helpful for people, because when you want a script, or when you want a description for a YouTube, or you want any caption, anything you want the tonality to be like you. You don't want it to be like a robot or just regular AI. You want it to be like you. And that's what I'm able to show you in today's video. I'm gonna show you exactly the steps on how to make ChatGPT sound like you. So if you don't know how to do that, after today, you'll know how to do it. All right, so what I wanna do is I wanna get a transcript of something I said, right? That's gonna allow me to upload it to ChatGPT and have ChatGPT make whatever it gives me in my tonality. So what we're gonna do first is go to Magic. Now you can get transcripts anywhere. You can upload like a 5-minute video of you speaking the way you speak, and you can transcribe it from a variety of different sites. I'm using Magic, AKA mjmautomation.com, my affiliate link, if you wanna, help a brother out. But I'm gonna use that. You can use the script. You could use a lot of different things. You could even use YouTube. But I'm using that because I have a lot of content up there, and it's gonna be easier for me to show you how to get a transcript because it's already loaded. But once you get the transcript, you take the transcript and you upload it to ChatGPT. So let's get the transcript. So, present screen. So this is my Magic. I'm gonna look and see which files I'm gonna take. Perseverance, I like that one. So I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna put download transcript, download text. It downloads the text, right? So now that we got you see how I got that, but it's a couple of the steps, and I'm gonna go into this application another time and go deep into it and show you guys how to use MGM Automation, AKA Magic. But you see how easy I got the transcript. And all I had to do is literally upload an MP3 file, and it takes the MP3 file and it gives me a bunch of other things, but it also gives me a transcript. Now that I got the transcript, let's go to ChatGPT. So I'm in ChatGPT 4. I believe you got to pay for 4 still. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this little button here, and I'm gonna go to downloads, and I'm gonna take my script. My script is uploaded into ChatGPT. If you can't see it, I'll zoom in, right? That it's uploaded. So now, I'm gonna do this now, right? Can you make me a caption for a clip about loyalty and being more loyal to yourself than anyone else, and base it on the file I uploaded with that tonality. Spell that wrong. So can you make me a caption for a clip about loyalty and being more loyal to yourself than anyone else? And use the file. I say use the file I uploaded and make the response, make the caption the same based on the tonality. Base it on the tonality of the file I uploaded. Boom. Boom. So now once I press enter, it's gonna give me a script on loyalty, a caption on loyalty, and it's gonna use the verbiage, the way I spoke, my tone in this script, it's gonna use it in the response. So let's see what happens. It read the thing based on the tone. I kind of upload a file. Which one? Embrace the journey of loyalty to your own growth and dreams. In the world that tests your perseverance and faith in your vision, remember that the most profound loyalty is yourself and your path. Just as Michael J. MacDonald shares his relentless pursuit of personal branding, despite obstacles and setbacks, let this moment remind you, it's about staying true to your course, even when the fruits of your labor are yet to be seen. Your resilience and loyalty to your goals pave the way for your success that lies just one breakthrough away. Stay in the game, for you can't score from the sideline. Loyalty to self, perseverance, and personal journey. This is a caption based on me, the way I speak. Again, now, I upload the file. It knows the file, right? So I say, can you give me a script for a video on loyalty using the file uploaded? So now, as long as I tell them that I'm using the file that was uploaded, it's gonna keep on doing. So I have to keep on uploading the file. So you can keep going, like a script, a caption, a description, all those things. So Michael MacDonald's journey, shared the profound honesty and vulnerability, teaches us a powerful lesson about perseverance and the essence of being loyal to our dreams, our visions, and ultimately our personal growth. Cut to, a montage of scenes showing, see, it's just painting the picture, right? Voiceover, VO means voiceover. Just like Michael, each of us embark on a unique journey, a path filled with aspiration yet to realize. I can keep going, but it's giving me a script using the tonality that I uploaded. Now, let's stop this, right? Can you make the script sound like first person? So now, instead of it saying Michael, it's gonna say I, me. It's gonna speak like I'm speaking. And this is gonna allow you to really use this script if you really wanna do a script and start speaking for videos and stuff like that. Like I uploaded a video yesterday or the day before, yesterday. And it was literally focused on a lot of the script from ChatGPT and using my same tonality. But I'm trying to test things out and see how it works. And, so every step I've taken, you see that? I've taken every setback. It's speaking. My journey, much like Michael J. MacDonald, see that they don't know that I'm Michael J. MacDonald. Now I just have to tell them I'm Michael J. MacDonald. But you can get the point where you can really use your transcripts that you have previously or make new ones and upload it to the ChatGPT so you can start making your content sound more like you. And the more content that you upload to ChatGPT and let it know that it's Michael J. MacDonald, the more it's going to understand the way you speak. And it's going to start learning your language, learning the way you speak more and more and more. And it's going to continue to get better as the way it gives you results for captions and whatnot. But this is a powerful tool. And if you're not using it, you're doing yourself a disservice, because it's a very strong tool to use, especially if you're creating content and creating it on a high level, because you might not have the time to be making all these different captions, all these different descriptions. It's just a lot of work. So again, AI is not supposed to replace you. It's supposed to make you better. Who you are today, you put AI into your life, it'll make who you are today even better. And that's what AI is here for. It's a tool to make you better, make you do things better than what you were doing. I am not good with the grammar stuff, but I'm good with the technology and the cameras and stuff like that. But now I have a tool in my tool belt that I can use to make me even better. Now I don't have to call somebody or my brother or whatnot. Can you proofread this or whatnot? I don't have to do that anymore because I have ChatGPT, and now that you can use it to make it sound like you even better. So, guys, I hope you learned something with this. This is a powerful tool, and you should be using it today, right now. That's all I really have for you guys. That's all I have for you guys. If you want more of this in a deeper conversation of learning all these different tools and learning everything I possibly know, learning the strategies that help me build Earn Your Leisure, you got to join the Mac Pack. I'm looking for you to come. You should be there soon. If you're not there yet, you should be soon. And the price will be going up very soon. So for a limited time, I'm letting a few more people in at this price point, getting access to me full time. Go to THEMACPAC.com. I love you guys. Take care.